Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Gmail cannot add account. The first thing that you need to make sure of when adding an account is that you're selecting the correct domain. For now, we're going to be tapping on Google. You need to verify that it's you. You must check that your Gmail account is entered correctly. The other thing that you can do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it is a connection issue. You can also turn on your airplane mode and turn it back off, which will reset some network settings which may help you to log in. The other thing that you can do is force close the app along with all of the apps and reopen Gmail to see if that works. If that does not work, then you can head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on Gmail, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Gmail to see if that helps. If that still does not help, you can head over to the Gmail app one more time, tap on the top right of your screen and hit uninstall updates, which resets Gmail to its factory settings, and you should be able to add an account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.